Hi guys, we got today our Smartlet package, just here. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We get here Smartlets. Thank you for choosing Smartlets. Okay, for now, Okay, there is a QR code for the installation. If I need help, it's very smart from David. It's his phone number on WhatsApp. It's very sympathetic. This package. Oh, you see, it's magnet. So, nothing to say. Again, here, quick start guide and guide installation in French, in English, I think so. What we have here, a lot of things. I don't know what it's inside. So first, it's good protection. So first part, it's the quality is very, very good. So just to let you know, because it's not the first time I get it in my hand, because I get the prototype. I did a rendezvous with David and I get the prototype in my hand, and yeah, no, the quality is very, 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 very good. Yeah, quality is top. This is good. First, then what we have more. With my big hand, I have some difficulties, but it's okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, quality is perfect. It's perfect now. Yeah, no issue. No, yes, no. Yeah, nothing to say. It's very, very good now. Good shape. Yeah. In fact, this it's if you don't have any watch, you put that. Okay, but it's very. I will not use it, but it's very, very good. Because in my case, I will have my Apple Watch on one side and my other watch there. Okay, and what's it's inside there? Let's see. Connectors for Apple Watch. So here it's connector for the Apple Watch. I think so. Watch connector for, okay. So these are 20 millimeters. But I asked for different ones because I have different watches. So first one is 22 millimeters. 20 meter again, and 20. So I have 3 sets for 20 and 1 for 22. Oh, yeah, very good. Little screwdriver to have.